Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Apollo.io. Finding high quality leads is one of the hardest parts of growing any business. But what if one tool could give you access to millions of verified contacts and help you reach them automatically? Well, that's exactly what Apollo.io claims to do. But is it actually worth it, or is it just another overhyped sales tool? Is it the best tool for lead generation in 2026? Let's find out. Apollo.io is what's known as sales intelligence and engagement platform, which basically means it helps businesses find potential customers and reach out to them automatically. At its core, Apollo combines three powerful things into one platform. First, a massive B2B database with over 200 million contacts and companies, meaning you can search for decision makers in almost any industry. Second, it gives you tools to filter and identify your ideal customers using criteria like job title, company size, industry, revenue, and even the technology they use. And third, and this is where it's getting interesting, Apollo doesn't just help you find leads, it also helps you contact them. It contacts them directly through email, phone calls, and automated sequences. So instead of using one tool to find leads, another to send emails, and another to track results, Apollo tries to bring everything into one dashboard. Now let us talk about the main features of Apollo. Massive lead database. Apollo gives you access to a huge database of business contacts. You can search for CEOs, managers, decision makers, and even specific industries, and filter them down with very advanced targeting options, making your outreach much more precise. Also, the advanced search filters, and that's one of the strongest features on Apollo, the filtering system. You can target leads based on their job titles, company size, revenue, technologies used, and also the hiring trends. And this makes it extremely powerful for niche targeting. Also, there's the email outreach and automation. This is where Apollo becomes more than just a database. You can create cold email campaigns, automated follow-ups, and multi-step sequences. So instead of manually emailing people one by one, Apollo does it for you. There's also the multi-channel outreach. Yes, you're not just limited to email. Apollo also supports phone calls, CRM syncing, and meeting scheduling. So you can manage your entire outreach process in one place. There's also data enrichment. So let's say you already have a list of leads. Apollo can enrich that data by adding emails, by adding phone numbers, company details as well. And this improves the quality of your campaigns. Then we have the analytics and the reporting. Yes, you get access to analytics like email open rates, reply rates, and also campaign performance. So you can track what's working and also optimize your strategy. Then there are CRM integrations. Apollo integrates with tools like Salesforce, HubSpot, Zapier, Microsoft Teams. So all of this helps your data stay synced across your workflow. Now, what is the pricing of Apollo like? You have an entirely free plan with limited credits, of course, to get started with. And there's a basic plan at $49 per user per month when billed annually. There's a professional plan at $79 per user per month when billed annually, and an organization plan at $119 per user per month when billed annually. It's also great to know that you can try the plan out for 14 days before committing to payments. So what are the pros and cons of using Apollo? Let's start with the pros. It has a huge lead database, an all-in-one platform where you can have data and also do an outreach, powerful targeting filters, and it has automations that save time. It has strong CRM integrations and good analytics tools. What about the cons? The lead database is so huge, and it might not integrate with every platform that you know. Also, it's a bit pricey compared to other competitors. So is Apollo.io the best tool for lead generation? Honestly, it depends on what you're looking for. If you want an all-in-one platform that can find leads, contact them, automate outreach, and track performance, then Apollo.io is one of the most powerful tools available right now. But it's not perfect. So if you're on a tight budget or you only need simple lead lists, Apollo might feel like overkill, especially with its credit-based system and the pricing structure. And that's it on the review of Apollo.io. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore ZoomInfo, Hunter.io, and Snov.io. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.